So up next, introducing the Google Pixel 8 Pro, our pick for the runner-up best Android phones in 2024. Based on our user review and our own evolution, the Pixel 8 Pro maintains a similar design and camera setup as its predecessor, but includes several key improvements that evaluates its performance. The camera now features a new 50-megapixel main sensor, alongside the familiar 48-megapixel ultra-wide and 48-megapixel telephoto sensors. These enhancements make it one of the top camera phones available right now. Design-wise, the Pixel 8 Pro offers new color options as a significant update. The screen no longer has a double curvature display, retains the 6.7-inch diagonal and a resolution, but boosts increased brightness with a typical level of 1500 nits and a peak of 2400 nits compared to the Pixel 7's 1000 nits. Under the hood, the Pixel 8 Pro is powered by the new Tensor G3 processor, which brings numerous software and hardware updates. These include AI enhancement camera features, 7 years of updates, a built-in thermometer, a larger battery, a 6.7-inch OLED display is excellent across the board. Feature resolution of 1344 by 2992 pixels and a 120Hz refresh rate. Screen brightness can reach up to 24 nits. By default, the resolution is set to the 180 by 2244 pixels Full HD equivalent, but you can switch to QHD Plus in the settings. The Pixel 8 Pro cameras stand out as one of the best availables, offering impressive details and versatility in virtually anything. Both the ultra-wide angle and telephoto sensors maintain a great color and detail consistency with the main sensor. The battery capacity is 5500 mAh, providing reliable all-day performance. While not the most outstanding features, it delivers dependable battery life along with fast charging and wireless capability.